Question 3. The total resistance in this circuit, figure 4, is 2 ohms. The potential difference of the battery is 18 volts. Calculate the current through each lamp. So we're going to find the current through each lamp. We're going to first state what is given to us. The given to us in this equation is, first of all, as you can see from this sentence, the total resistance. And the total resistance here is 2 ohms. This is the symbol for total resistance. And this symbol is called the omega. It's the unit of measurement for resistance. We're also given the voltage of the entire circuit. It says here the potential difference of the battery is 18 volts. So the voltage equals 18 volts. The V here stands for voltage, while the V here stands for volts. Volts is a unit for voltage. Now the required. This is what the question wants us to answer. And the question wants us to answer the current through each lamp. So, current through each lamp. We can also call this the I load for short. Now the equations that we're going to use for this question. We're going to use two equations. The first equation is the I source equals V, or voltage, divided by RT, which is total resistance. And the first equation is to calculate the current coming out of the energy source. Once we find the I source, we're going to use the second equation. And the second equation is I load equals I source divided by the number of loads. This hashtag here stands for number, so number of loads. The I load is to calculate the current through each identical load. We're going to use this equation to solve and calculate the current through each identical load. So our solution, which is not going to be our final answer, is I source equals 18 volts divided by 2 ohms. We inputted our values here. And that will equal to 9 ampere. The A here stands for ampere, which is the unit for current. It's the measuring unit for current. Next, we're going to do I load equals 9 ampere divided by 3. The 9 ampere here, we brought it from here. And we're using the second equation to solve the I load. The number 3 we got from the bulbs. A bulb is a type of load, and there's 3 bulbs here. So, I load equals 9 ampere divided by 3. And our final answer is going to be 3 ampere. The current through each lamp is 3 ampere.